Hello, little yogis. I'm so happy you are here today. Don't forget to smile and have fun. Today we are going to move, stretch, and feel strong, calm, and happy. Roll out your mat. Take a deep breath. Let's get started. Let's begin. Level easy. Let's start slow and have fun. Round your back like a sleepy kitty. Let's be a little frog. Squat down and stay balanced. Sit like a calm little Buddha. Drop your belly. Look up like a happy cow. Stand tall like a strong tree. Bring your feet together. Hold them tight. Open your knees like butterfly wings. Step your wide, bend one knee, and stretch to the side. Make a rainbow with your body. Let's make a bow shape. Bend your knees and sit like on a chair. Medium level, let's challenge ourselves a little more. Let's be a big camel. Open your chest and look up. Balance like a sailboat on the sea. Lift your chest and legs, fly like a superhero. Shh. Be a strong cobra. Lift your chest and stretch. Level hard. Are you ready for the challenge? Can you hold it for 10 seconds? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Let's stretch like a monkey in the jungle. Lift your body and be a strong crab walking on the beach. Let's be a strong dolphin. Keep your body straight and bounce like a dolphin in the ocean.